Every step I take in this museum feels like a journey back in time. The air is still, but my mind is loud with memories. I remember the first time we came here together. You stood before a painting, your eyes alight with wonder, explaining its story as if you were the artist. But now, the exhibits remain unchanged, yet everything feels different. But all I can say, I hear your voice, feel your presence. As the year passed, this place became our sanctuary. Amidst with the chaos of life, we found solace here. Each exhibit, each corner held a piece of our story. We loved, but your voice filled the passion, made the art come alive. I watched you captivate not just by the painting, but by you. But now, I walk these halls alone, with the weight of absence heavy on my shoulder. The laughter is gone, the debate silent. One late morning, I sat alone, sipping my coffee, when a book slipped from the table. I picked the papers scattered across the floor, and there they were, your letters. Each page, your words, your thoughts, your love. I hadn't realized how much I missed hearing your voice until now, reading your letters. I felt you beside me again, even in your absence. Your love remains a constant presence in my life.
Mahal, kung dumating ang araw na malulungkot ka, tignan mo si Isabel. Hindi dahil ako'y nawawala, kundi dahil nariyan pa rin ang alaala. Sa mata niya, makikita mo ang tapang mo. At sa bawat guhit, ang pagmamahal ko, kaya mo ito, nandito lang ako sa puso mo.
After I read the letter, I couldn't hold back the tears. Your words, your love, they cut through me like a blade. I clutched the paper to my chest as if that could bring you back, but the silence was deafening. In your absence, I felt the weight of every moment we lost. I'll let the tears fall not just for what I've lost, but for what I've always carried with me.
Tignan mo tong painting ni Belka. Isabel daw ang pangalan. Gusto ko siya.
Bakit siya?
I love Isabel. He's wrapped in fabric like he's hiding, but she's not weak. He's quiet but strong, like she's carrying something.